Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin today, and this is Doge. Okay, this is Dogecoin, Doge, sideways for quite some time, and the squeeze is coming up and we're slowly making some progresses here. It's getting a little bit unsure if Dogecoin wants to move any higher or not, and we have 4 more days to actually see how this week is going to close. So this week is going to be very, very important moving forward, as it set the tone for what is about to come up for Dogecoin, right? We've actually moved up pretty high, and if we ever see Dogecoin maybe retracing down to, as I said before, 0.34 cents, it will make a lot of sense, because this is where you have your retest just down there. And if things go perfectly well, we're looking for a bounce off and move back to the all-time high and start a journey all the way to $2.2 in the future. Now, I'm trying to figure out what is going on with the 4-hour time frame, because the 4-hour time frame is very sideways for quite some time right now. And what I don't understand is if Dogecoin is interested to go any higher. As far as I understand, Dogecoin had this move to the upside. It made a bull flag and broke the bull flag and went to the upside, right? So when you went again to the upside, you made another flag right over here, and it does look like you never really made it as expected. Okay, so from the top to bottom here, you were actually expected to continue to 0.84. That's where you were meant to go, because this is again another flag, but they kind of didn't go with the plan. They made the flag, and unfortunately the flag didn't play out, right? So a lot of you, if you are wondering then what happened here, well, this is what happened. You see, previously when you made the flag, if I just come down here a little bit, you made the flag and you broke above the flag, right? You broke above the flag, you retested, and then you started the push to the upside. But this time, if I do zoom in here, they gave you the flag, but unfortunately they kind of didn't play out that flag. So this flag was right over here and right over there, and then they broke it to the downside, and then it continued sideways, which means this flag was never really in play to continue to go higher. The flag was just there at your face, but they didn't break it above. And it's important to break above, retest, and then go to the upside, the same way you just did it just right over here. You broke to the upside, retested, and then you go to the upside, right? Now, consolidation is still continuing on. A lot of people are thinking whether if this is distribution to go down or just another reaccumulation to continue to go to the upside, right? Now, this can only be answered probably if you break above 0.48. So I think if Dogecoin does make it up to 0.48 and retest a little bit here, we have good chances we go all the way and continue. Then this can also be a very huge continuation pattern right over there. You could actually even expect something like this, and you could end up making the top to bottom here, and you could actually break above, and then you could even look at $1 coming up in the future. So that's all for the video on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love office. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains, and I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe Coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really, really important. Thank me later.